Hello everyone and welcome to Gierok Farms. In today's video we're going to be doing some stalk shredding or stalk chopping, whatever you want to call it, and also preparing for the next couple days to come. We just finished up with corn harvest here this morning, which was great. We had a combine out here, went really well. Now we got to get ready for baling corn stalks. Now, as you can see, it's kind of a cloudy day, so it'll probably be another day or two before we harvest some corn stalks. And we also got a lot of equipment to shuffle around. We'll probably end up putting our elevator away and get some tillage equipment out because we'll be doing a little fall tillage here this year yet. So plenty of stuff to do this afternoon, but a bit more of a preparation kind of afternoon. So we're gonna hop in the 7510 here to start up. It should be fun, should go pretty fast. There's not a whole lot of acres. Let's see if River wants to come with. River, you gonna come with? Come on, get up in there. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you need some help? I'll help you. I'll help you. Not the most graceful thing I ever did, but you made it in there, River. You ready? A little bit of a cold start on River. Rumbling. Sat outside last night, so we'll give it a little bit here before we just take off, let it warm up some. But before the equipment gets rolling, I want to remind you guys that if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it, and share it with someone who you think might enjoy it as well. It would help us out a lot. But that's enough for talking. Shortly here we'll head out to the field and start chopping stalks. Go, we are finished shredding corn stalks for the year. Super exciting to have that done. Mason, he's been doing most of the corn stalk shredding. He did most of ours, and we also did some custom for my uncle as well, so he got to put a handful of hours in this machine in the 7510. We were cutting it pretty low to the ground. I mean, it was no-till. You could get away with that. It was a fairly smooth field to do that in. You don't want to run something like this in the dirt really hard. You're going to wear it out quick. Also, another little tip is I ran the other direction of the way the combine went, because the combine kind of bends the stalks one way. So I came from the other way to get a better cut instead of just driving them down even more and not getting it all. This way the flails kind of got up and under those stalks that were leaning into the machine. So that went pretty good. We're gonna head back up to the yard, clean this thing off with some compressed air, and then we'll probably be putting it away here pretty soon. Good to go for the parade. Okay, we got the shredder put away and the Great Plains drill, that nice little no-till drill we got. Dad right now, he's in the skid steer moving around our pallet with our drag on it. We're gonna get that put away as well. Set it there. Now we're gonna move on to taking down our elevator. We decided we're gonna be done with that. Even if we'd buy a gravity wagon or two, we'll just keep it in the wagons and we'll take it down. We'll be done with it so it's out of the way. Next, we're gonna get the 7810 out with the flail chopper here, unhook it, and put the flail chopper on the 7510. So then we can get the 7810 ready for tillage. Put the duals on, get it hooked up to the turbo tiller, things like that. So we're gonna get this out, unhook everything, and swap it over to this tractor. Okay, I got the 7810 pulled up here. It's getting a drink right now. It was on E. It was pretty empty. Dad, he just pulled out the 7510 and now he's gonna hook that up to the flail chopper, and then we'll move on to putting the duals on this thing. Make it look big, make it look mean again. Super exciting. Okay, now to go dig out the turbo tiller. Quite enough room to sneak it out with the tractor. We're thinking he put it in there with the skid steer, so he's gonna have to try to wiggle it out with the skid steer, and then we'll hook up with the tractor. It's too tight up against the wall to make the turn out here. You're good. Okay, we think we have it wiggled over enough. Now we'll try to hook up with the tractor. Okay, now we gotta let down those rear rolling baskets, or whatever you want to call them, the finisher at the end.
It was actually up there by itself, but I thought it once I started moving, it would come slamming down, is all.
And there we are, the 7810 and the Turbo Max are hooked up and ready to go. Man, they look great together. Talk about a pair. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. We really appreciate it. Make sure to stay tuned for our other fall harvest and tillage videos. Make sure to like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and check out our store if you guys are interested. So that's gonna be it. We'll see you guys next time.